Okay, here we are with the FMC Corporation Spiral Roto-Louvre Rotary Dryer Kiln. So this is the feed end with the feed chute removed. It's in many pieces for shipping purposes. This main drum is 5 foot 2 inches in diameter and approximately 19 foot 8 inches long. Weighs 15,800 pounds. So you're kind of looking right in the heart of the rotary dryer. So you'll see the outer perimeter. That's your airflow, both feed and return air get pushed and pulled through this end. So you push air, I believe it's on the right side, and you're pulling air on the left side, but it's basically making a circuit. And your product goes in the center here, and you see these flighting as this thing is rotating. It's basically conveying the product throughout the 20-foot length, and then the entire drum is perforated. And so that allows airflow all throughout the dryer. So that center circle is a perforated plate, perforated drum the entire way, and then you're moving air all the way on the outside perimeter. So like most rotary dryers, has trunnion bearings, trunnion rollers, to where you have a bearing surface here, a large sprocket where you would chain drive for rotation, and then you would have trunnion bearings here. And then this is the discharge end here, and put product in and it conveys throughout the outlet. Right here's the drive. So it's a direct drive Reliance motor with a Rexnord inline speed reducer. And here are the bearing assemblies, trunnion bearings. I believe that's a vacuum pickup device for product after it falls out of the dryer. That's what that consists of. Right here is the also part of the drive assembly. You see these sprockets and chain, and then the chain guard, they're loose, and right there's the mounting plate for the drive and the coupling for the drive. So your gear motor would install there and couple to that. Right there's more guards, because this is quite a large machine with several pinch points, so you got several guards to install around the drum when it's rotating. A box of steam fittings, which may prove helpful to you. This is a steam heated dryer, and so you would, I don't have it readily available, but there's a 2-row steam distribution coil that you're going to plumb steam to, and then you're going to blow hot air across the coil to elevate the temperature of your process air. So also steam traps and steam related equipment for the drying side of it. Over here is a couple New York blowers. I'll do this one first. This is a New York blower, which is your process air supply, and you can tell how it's what is that, clockwise bottom horizontal discharge. Also has a damper for controlling CFM through the fan. And I saw in the manual where they were doing 275 degree Fahrenheit process air, and then it was roughly 235 degrees by the time it got to the end of the dryer. So that may be of help to you. Here's the exhaust fan. So you have a push-pull, a push fan, a pull fan, And then this is the inlet, the inlet for the dryer. So the two, those are air. It's like inlet. They might even have it labeled, but this is inlet, and then this is exhaust. So you're pushing air through that one, pulling it through that one. Of course, this piece is stationary while the drum rotates. So your trunnion bearings, another set is over here, another set of rollers. Everything's in really good shape. I don't anticipate having any issues with this one. Also wanted to detail the controls and also the discharge chute. So here's the discharge chute, stainless discharge chute, which is just like what you see, just wide open for product to fall and discharge into this chute on the end of the rotary dryer. The controls all laid out very nicely. If I can get in it without a screwdriver, or nope. But yeah, I'll try to get you some details inside of that cabinet so you can take a look at that. But that's the entire rotary dryer. Many pieces. There is a steam coil that I'll get you photos of as well that goes with it. So thank you for your interest, and if we can be of help to you, let us know. Thanks again.